Happy 2024. I'm finally back on camera. I don't even know the last time I filmed. I probably made a couple of short videos, but I want to come on. Today is 2/14/24. Yes, today is Valentine's Day. So I thought, since me and Honey are having kind of like an impromptu dinner tonight, I decided to have an impromptu video. So I'm going to be bringing you guys along with me like I love to do as I get ready throughout today. Now, this is going to be a little crazy because I'm doing all of this and I'm still at work, i.e. the headset. So I'm going to be trying to prep and do as much as I can before this evening because I'm going to still have to do my hair, which can't do with the headset on. But anyways, if you guys are still here, go ahead and hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe. If this is your first time, my name is Tori, and welcome to my channel. If you are all things beauty, hair, fashion, and fitness, you have found your tribe. You are here. So we're going to go ahead and get into it. First things first, we have to figure out what we're wearing. These are the pieces, the main piece that I want to wear. Really, I don't have too many clothes because since I've been working out, I actually lost way more weight than I thought. So a lot of my outfits are like super baggy and like oversized, which I don't mind, but not for like my dresses and stuff. That's just weird. I want to wear one of these, don't know which one, with this jacket. I figured Valentine's Day, the dress. For this one, I was thinking about pairing it with these red boots I have to give it a pop of color for the outfit, and then these that I actually got from Burlington. I don't know, guys. But if you watch my vlog, you'll see last year when I purchased these. I don't know if you can see. Let me find the camera. There we go. So I was thinking about these with that. I think that is so cute. Tell me that's not a cute outfit. Alright, y'all, so I am hopping back on camera. So I already decided what outfit I'm gonna wear. I'm probably gonna have to still run to the store because there's one last thing I need to grab. I forgot at work I had a meeting, so while we had our meeting, I went ahead and prepped my hair for the hairstyle I'm gonna do. I still don't know exactly what that is, but you guys stay tuned. All right, y'all, so I sent my girls across the street to get some stuff from the beauty supply store. Yes, thank God we actually live across the street from a beauty supply store. So I had to grab some basics to do or attempt to do the hairstyle. So I got the Valentine braiding gel. From the first time I used it, I absolutely fell in love. I got some of the Dex pomade. Another edge brush. This time I told my girls to try and get me as many Red by Kids products because, like I told y'all, oh my god, I just absolutely love just this line for some reason. So I have that. I asked to get the NYX Dewy Setting Spray, but they said they didn't have it, so I'm going to be trying this for the first time. This is, I've never tried any other setting spray other than NYX, honestly, so we're going to try this one. Oops. And then, of course, just some basics. Hair ties, I always share with the girls. Some more bobby pins, large and small rubber bands, and then I picked up some eyeliners, pink and white, and then I had them grab me a few braiding accessories in silver. Now I don't know if I'm going to be using all of this stuff, but I'm going to try my best. And anything you see here I do have linked on my website under my Amazon, under my personal Amazon associates account. Hold on, guys. All right, so yeah, guys, so most of the stuff you see me use, I usually link. If I don't have a link, you can always find it at my website, which is www.blackxbeauty.com, and it's going to be under my Amazon storefront, and I believe it's under the section hair. I don't think I've changed it to beauty supplies yet. I'm not sure, but definitely check there because I'm going to link a lot of different items that I use for my hair. You can also find my natural hair products there.
Is it 'cause I'm there? Is it 'cause it's me? Is it the time, the space, the air, the energy? Do you really care? Maybe I'm just weak, 'cause I'm unsure if it's what I want or what I need. Can you see? Isn't how it be that I'm in front of you when you're in front of me? Is it all by chance? Is it destiny? Lost in my thoughts and love, and there's no guarantee. Can you see? It's driving me crazy. I take the chance, though the road's hazy. It ain't been right when I find my side lately. You run my mind, baby. Confuse my heart, it's driving me crazy. I take the chance, though the road's hazy. It ain't been right when I find my side lately. Lost in translation, physical separation. Sometimes our bodies in different places. When we bring it all back, it's amazing. 'Cause we evolve, but the bond never changes, only strengthens. Understand even when it don't make sense. Only plan is to love you when I can. I'll meet you when you're ready. When my angels come and tell me that it's time for you and I, where every single star comes to alignment, all in perfect timing. Till then I'll just ride.